never run of the mill when I shoot the pill. I'm a son of a spill, I got boots to fill. Showed up with a deuce, a swill, and a guardian angel on my coupe de ville. Shark in the lake, heart strike the drum. Mark landscape with a dart-like tongue. Spit my blood from deep in the guts, smoking cigarette butts with my fingerless gloves. Pull over at the welcome sign and raise a toast to those that fell behind. Everybody else got a crippled spine from trying to take it back to a simple time. Keep a little pine tree hang from my rear view. Beats turned up just enough not to hear you. Gonna swim till the fins get torn. I shall return, keep the engine warm. Millennium Dodo, pull out your telephone and take you a photo. You didn't know, better read the logo. You don't wanna play around and get ocho. Recline like I don't care. The world is mine and I ain't gon' share. Now everybody blow smoke in the air. I keep my eyes on the road, but I know that you stare. Now I was at the party, sleeping on the couch when I decided to grab a bottle of something and bounce. I'd rather be by myself than have to navigate another fake cry for help. On the beaten path with a bandaged fist to represent the last half of the damn I give. Play me in slow-mo, fly like a blimp. Millennium Dodo, drive with a limp. Windows down, heater blasting. Got my coffee, but I need some aspirin. Watch me merge into speeding traffic with the truck stop plastic, cheap sunglasses. Show respect, you broke down on the side of the road, wanna choke my neck. I got a glove box full of stolen checks, and I drink moonshine that the chrome reflects. Millennium Dodo, pull out your telephone and take you a photo. You didn't know, better read the logo. You don't wanna play around and get ocho. Recline like I don't care. The world is mine and I ain't gon' share. Now everybody blow smoke in the air. I keep my eyes on the road, but I know that you stay.